What's up, everybody? So I got the base on. I'm about to go ahead and throw the pearl on it. Go ahead and check it out. Nice and B5 blue. Yes, sir. I like the way that joint hit. It ain't even got no clear on it. Yeah. Well, let me get back to work, y'all. I gotta throw this pearl on here. All right, y'all. Let me show you what I'm working with, boy. Let me show you. I ain't done yet. But that color is hidden. I don't care what nobody say. This color is hidden. Yes, sir. Y'all, I finally finished it, man. After a bunch of headaches and mess ups, and I got it cleared, got the pearl on it. So check me out. So here go the sun on it, sun gun. See there? Change the brightness for y'all. It's kind of hard to see, but it's all good. I'm gonna have another video with it in the light. Ooh, look at that flop. That joint's serious. Hey Frankie, look at this flop on this joint. Like, look at it from.
Ooh. It looks better with the damn funnel.
Right. Made me want to daggone sand this back down and flow coat this junk. For real. That junk serious.
It did good though.
Alright, the sun finally out. Get some sunlight action. I think that gauge look good in there.